We got baby girl's mango bubble tea. Because everybody is a Stanley kid now, nobody wants a good old hydro flask. We out here taking one of our walks like we do in the summertime. So y'all, don't mind the junk on my counter, but this is how I mean on my shelf, but this is my TV right here, and this is how I braid the back of my hair. I actually use my other phone, put it on camera mode, and then cast it to my TV so I can see my parts and stuff. So that is what I am doing right now. I am sitting here in my room braiding my hair. I look awful, y'all. I'm doing this because I love y'all, but just so y'all can see the other side of the madness. That's the phone. This is the little piece of hair I was just showing y'all. It works. If y'all braid your own hair, try this. Y'all see my little Mickey Sorcerer's hat? One of my kids got me that for my it was either my birthday or one of the holidays. I was so happy. But try this method if y'all do your own hair. Cast to the TV and you can see what you're doing. It works. So I'll catch y'all when I'm done with these braids, hopefully tomorrow. Hey babes, I'm Unique D and I am so happy you are here with me. I gave up on the braids last night, so threw these in, called it a day. But today is special because I have somebody with me at the office. Say hey, baby girl.
Hey.
I got Tia today because it is her birthday and she's hanging with me, and then we're gonna go to lunch. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna go to this place we've been to before. It's called Otani Noodle. Well, I took 2 of my other boys there before, but Tegan has never been, so we're gonna grab some lunch, bring it back to the office because it's a busier day than I expected. But we're bringing you guys with us to go get some ramen. I may get like a steamed pork bun, but I know she's probably gonna want some ramen, so I'll show you guys when we get there. You know how to go through? Hit the button. You gotta hit the blue wave at the blue one. There you go. Now you can go through. Don't sneak. Okay, there you go. Go through now. I'm coming. All right, put your hood on so we can go outside. We gotta take a short little walk up Euclid Avenue. So that's like a 6-minute walk. Go ahead, don't touch the door, just push it.
I'm gonna push that.
No, just go right here. Right here, mama. There you go. This is where the casino is. There used to be a door over here, but people used to just loiter right here, so they moved it, closed all this up, and then we're going straight up this street right here, like a block and a half. I have never, from my recollection, eaten at Jake's, and I've been working out here for almost 10 years, living here my whole life. We are walking past Pure Vita. Are they closed? Well, what used to be Pure Vita, it was a restaurant run by our local community college. Or are they still open? I think they are still open. But yeah, it's a restaurant run by the students at the community college. This spot right here that's empty used to be a Taco Bell cantina. It looks like they're working on the inside. You can still see the purple. And you could get alcohol in that Taco Bell, but they closed it down. It's a Chipotle right here. It's a Beyond Juice and Eatery, healthy stuff, House Homes. And then we are going right here into Otani Noodle. It's so cold out there. Yes. And typically I would sit inside and eat, but because I'm so busy at work today, we're just gonna order to go. We got baby girl's mango bubble tea, so we're about to go back to the office and then we'll eat there. You ready? Let's see how it tastes. Nice poke. It's good. Super sweet. I'm surprised. Those black balls always scare me. Is it like extra sugary?
But the black balls are so chewy.
That is Tegan's tempura shrimp. Here are my 2 pork belly buns, and then that is the ramen. It's separate. So there is the noodles, there's the broth, and I'm about to pour this into that. I just pulled my laptop into the conference room because I'm gonna probably stay stationed here. We're gonna put something on the TV and then eat ramen and all this good stuff. All right. Perfect amount. Perfect amount. Some seasoning left in there. I took a little bit of Tegan's ramen, and then she got the bowl over there, her shrimp tempura and her bubble tea. It's kind of become like a tradition that I bring the kids to work with me on their birthday, and then let them pick a restaurant, and then we go get them something to eat. So they pretty much know when their birthday comes, okay, time to go to work with mommy. But it's fun though. I really do enjoy it just as much as they do. The broth is so good. It's so good. And this is just a regular I want to say miso ramen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tegan. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, make a wish first.
Don't tell her.
Nice. Yay. May the good Lord bless you. All right, now you gonna eat it or you gonna put it up for later? You gotta take one bite so the wish can come true. Hey babes, we are back at it again with this truck. We gotta get all 4 tires replaced. So we are gonna walk the neighborhood and probably grab us. It's like 9 in the morning, so we grab us something to eat. It's probably not gonna be an old man day. And then we'll probably do some shopping. It is windy. It is freezing. Like freezing. And my husband knows I don't know how to cross the street. And he leaving me. We're at the Dick's Sporting Goods outlet. So we're gonna walk around in here for a little bit. Cause first off, it's warm. And second off, are these super cheap right now? Is that why they up here?
I think they're $10.
Oh, Hydro Flask, $10. So because everybody is a Stanley kid now, nobody wants a good old Hydro Flask, but they have them for $10. And to be honest, I kind of like this orange one. I don't think people thinking about stuff like this right now, but when summertime comes, look, 12 can cooler bag. That one, I think that one cracked, so not a good example. But these 12 can cooler bags right here are $5. Igloo, not bad at all. Hubby and I both decided we are done being excessive, so I really like this Carhartt shirt to wear with like some loose fitting jeans in the spring or summer. So that I like the Hydro Flask. It's on sale for $10. And then I really like this Cleveland Guardians hat, but it's in purple. So we made the decision that when we shop, we can pick one item that is our favorite, regardless of the cost, regardless of how deep on sale it is. We can only pick one favorite. So right now, these are the 3 I'm choosing from. I'm leaning towards the t-shirt, but I really like the hat. And it's all of this stuff is between 25 and 75% off. So we shall see. But I kind of do want the Hydro Flask too, though. I don't know, so I'll see what I pick. I might not be getting either because I grew up in the Saucony era. And I see these Sauconys. I'm about to try a pair on and see how they look on my feet. Might be getting one of these. They're like $29. Y'all can call me old if y'all want to, but I really like these. I really like them. And I got on freaking practically Christmas socks right now. But I do like the shoe. Y'all know we always find a sock deal. $4.97. It is a number 1, so it's 75% off. So it's like $1.50 for these socks. I'm gonna get these for Tegan and these for Tegan. Got Gotta love the winter time. Out here taking one of our walks like we do in the summertime. We're just gonna walk and go get us some food while we're waiting on tires. So we're gonna go to Cilantro Taqueria, which is one of our favorites. It was like a 12-minute walk from where we just came from, so we're about 5 minutes from it now. If hubby crossed the street without me, I swear, y'all, like, he know I don't know how to cross no street. And he like to jaywalk. That make me nervous. But yeah, it's across the street. You can't quite see it yet, but we coming up on it now. We're in Westlake, Ohio. West of Cleveland, still north close to the lake. So it is cold. Tegan wanted to come with us this morning, and I'm so glad I decided against it, because she wouldn't have made it out here. These are the elements. It's cold. And I've been having my hands in my pockets because I need some gloves right about now. We made it to the restaurant, and we're about 10 minutes early from them opening. So we gotta figure out something for the next 10 minutes. Value World. Oh, hubby wanna go across the street to Value World. Store, walk back to the liquor store. Best way to warm up is with a little bit of alcohol, so we might grab us a little small bottle of something to drink.
Oh, that shit cheap.
They Suave, 47. That's about what we paid. Look, Justin, hubby over here looking for the Hornitos. Or the Camarena. Oh, the Camarena price went up.
Nigga.
Hornitos went up. How much is that?
$36.
Oh, that's insane. That bottle is bigger than my kids. We might stick to what we always get, which is the Bullet bourbon. They got these little Bullet cocktails, Manhattans, and what is that, an old fashioned? I figured, yep, old fashions and Manhattans. Since we getting ready to do tacos, we may do tequila, so I think we might do some Terramana. I don't know. We torn between giving this Western Reserve a try and trying something cheap for today. Cucumber jalapeno. Oh my God, 1800 be doing the most.
That's probably good.
Got me a free sucker out the liquor store. But they're open now. Restaurant. So we're about to go sit down. I actually have to take a test today for class. So I'm about to go in here, get some food, and then we're gonna sit down and I'm gonna study before I go take this test at 3 o'clock. Do you all have Wi-Fi? We are about to bang out. Got my laptop. I'm about to turn this on. It's dusty. Jesus Christ, it's dusty. But yep. Our truck is ready, and the walk back is way more treacherous because like the wind is hitting us in the face. It's awful. It's freaking awful, and it's even colder. It's like it got colder than it was this morning. Look at the Jeep with all the Jeep ducks. Caught another one. Have as many ducks. They still got their Jeep ducks in there. We are back in the comfort of our truck, y'all. It's been a day. My hormones, like every time I change up my eating and then try to do something weird, my face get all broke out. My hormones are going crazy right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Love you guys. I will see you in the next one. I'm headed to go take my test for class. So in the next one, I should have some results. Hopefully I should be certified in a few things. So I'm excited for that. But yep, see you guys next time.